launches travel over 25 million miles a year, the equivalent of nearly 100 trips to the moon. Imagine that. Beautiful. How about a wonderful big round of applause for Staff Sergeant Bonnie Miller. Beautiful job.
Sponsored by Aerospace as they slide into the vertical and dive on down toward Show Center, executing 90-degree left-hand turn. At Show Center, they're going to pull the nose up on the beautiful red Eagle. Listening in the sunshine as they come up overhead, executing another 90-degree turn. Now watch carefully as they complete the barrel roll and shows two-ship formation. You will see in the air show business today is the Red Eagle Airsports Team, proudly led by Dan McClung. And leading the formation at the moment is Buck Rothman in the Red Eagle, differing only slightly from the Talon Eagle flown by Dan McClung. They come back from the right once again for a great big giant loop at Show Center. Dropping almost to zero, and at the precise moment on a call from Dan McClung, they'll kick in the left rudder and pivot the aircraft around in the hammerhead turn, done simultaneously by the Red Eagle Airsports Team. They'll be coming back. Gives us a chance to identify each individual aircraft. As you take a look at the top of the wings, you'll see that on the Talon Eagle coming in from the left with Dan McClung, those white eagle feathers go from tip to tip across the top of the wing. Rolling in front of you right at the moment. Those Red Eagle wings are separated by a patch of red as he exits. And as Buck rolls out to the right here, over 200 miles an hour. Are inbound high, and the Red Eagle our Golden Knights will be right back in front of you momentarily. That's Buck Rothman. He's going to complete this turn and head on out behind the crowd. That's just a small teaser of what you'll see as the Red Eagles perform their full show later on in the show today. Thanks a lot. We'll be talking to you soon.
Thanks so much, Larry.
the human body. Once the jumpers come back together, the team leader again will wave his arms at 4,000 feet, signaling the bomb burst. As you may see an outside flyer, this is the videographer capturing the high-speed action. Here comes the wave, and there's the first bomb burst, as a second group or the base continues to fall as they ignite their smoke. And then two separate, gaining horizontal and vertical separation. And there you have the high-flying black and gold of your United States Army Parachute Team, the Golden Knights. With a unique situation, a traffic jam in the sky. They'll pull down the front part of their parachute and spiral down at speeds of excess of 60 miles per hour to create vertical separation. You might notice one of the parachutes is a different color. It's more black and has the Army star on the bottom. This parachute is piloted and flown by the Gold Team team leader, Sergeant First Class J.D. Parentis. The parachutes have 7 openings in the front, allowing air to be forced in, inflating the flexible wing glider. As they're all sticking right around the same altitude, they'll key off the center person so that way everyone can land within 10 seconds of each other. At 1,000 feet, the jumper will do what is called a wind penetration check, checking his distance and speed across the ground. He'll then turn a downwind leg, a base leg to the target, and then face into the wind for a final approach. As these jumpers face into the wind, they'll pick a specific spot on the ground and land right at it. As the jumpers are coming down and getting closer, watch the small minor hand corrections they're using to fly these fully capable parachutes. You might notice a smaller canopy getting ready to come down. This is the videographer of the Gold Demonstration Team. Her name is Sergeant Jennifer David. She wears a still camera and a video camera on the top of her helmet to capture the high-speed action. I would like to thank each and every one of you for being such a warm and receptive airborne audience. In closing, I'll leave you with this final thought. In the future, may all your days be prosperous and your nights golden. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are underway. Good morning.